Okay. Chicken wings. I'm only going to make a few of them because now as you can see, I love vacuum seal everything. I don't like freezer burn much. Okay. Wash off these chicken wings real quick. Always nice to wash them off, even though I already pre-washed them before I stick them in. Do a couple of wings. Okay. I'm gonna make 3 different types of wings. I see. And these wings do not require to be battered. All we need is seasoning. Of course, after cleaning, we use some Mesquite barbecue. And let's do a little lemon pepper. Now you can either use bowls or napkin. Doesn't matter. Once you know that it's clean, let's say we're going to use the Mesquite barbecue. All we need to do is take the wing and sprinkle it with the seasoning. You do not need to add any additional fat to it because once this chicken starts to cook in the air fryer, it's going to make its own fat. Which makes it a much healthier option than deep fried chicken. Now you're going to get to see how good this chicken looks afterwards. Okay, the seconds. Going to be garlic pepper. And remember, seasonings have 0 calories. So you can be as generous as you want to with these seasonings. It's not going to add any additional calories in the intake. And you don't have to worry about the extra fat or calories from putting butter or flouring down the chicken, which all adds additional calories, additional carbs, which you do not need in your diet. Just because you're dieting doesn't mean that you have to sacrifice the way of eating. Now, of course, you can't eat chicken wings all day long because these little wings, despite their size, still punch high calorie intake. But 1 or 2, couple of times a week is fine. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the air fryer, cook them up, and then I'll be back when they're ready. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Nice golden brown. Now, if you didn't know better, you thought that was fried, you would think. I don't need to really taste this to know how delicious it is. I've tasted Ron's air fried chicken. Look at that. Now, this wasn't battered, but I can taste that this one is the garlic pepper. Absolutely delicious and hot. You can still see the heat coming off that chicken. Nice, it's crispy. I wouldn't know what to do without an air fryer. Chicken number 2. Ooh. Now that is hot. Okay, I could tell this one is the lemon pepper. You can taste the lemon pepper. The lemon pepper tends to cook the chicken a little darker, but it's absolutely delicious. And not a drop of fat, grease was used to cook this. No flour, which means no additional carbs. All you have is chicken, heat. Now this one would have to be the mesquite because this is just a process of elimination. And it is. This mesquite gives it a little barbecue flavor. It's absolutely delicious. Now, if you really want, if you wanted to cut the calories on this even more, you can take the skin off. But as you can hear me crunching it, the skin is very crispy. And this has only been in there, cook it for like 8 minutes, flip it over, cook it for like another 8 minutes. This is exactly what you get. At about 400 degrees, that is some good tasting chicken. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And you can make this at home. Oh, that's Ron fried, air fried chicken. Enjoy.